Welcome to Teach Yourself Something. To bake a simple cake, you will need the following ingredients. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugar, 3/4 cup milk, ½ cup unsalted butter, melted, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan or line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate mixing bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and stir until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve the cake as is, or top it with your favorite frosting or glaze. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. We hope you have taught yourself something. Please like and subscribe for more ways to teach yourself something.